Please copy it. Term is here and the coefficient is there, numerical coefficient. And question number 4 is, yes. Now the question number 4 is what? Write the coefficient of x in 13x. Means this is a literal x. What is this? This is a literal x. तो literal x मैंने कल भी बोला था कि literal x लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. If it is written here कि literal, you have to find the literal coefficient. Means that you have to find the coefficient of any variable or any variable that is present in the term. एक term के अंदर जो variable present है उनका. So just make a table like this again and just numerical coefficient को हटा के coefficient of, and this is coefficient. ठीक है. Term is what? 13x. We have to find the coefficient of x, so it will be 13. If it is थोड़ा बड़ा कर लेते हैं तो this is the first part. Now the fifth part is minus 2pqr. We have to write the coefficient of p, so it will be minus 2qr. And now see the sixth question, sixth part. This is the expression is 8xy square z, and we have to write the coefficient of y square. So except this, जिसका लिखना है उसको छोड़ के बाकी सबको लिखना है. Because the factor of y square is what? 8xz. If we multiply this, we get a term. Understood? Okay, good. So now it is clear. Now, Astha, clear है what is coefficient and what is numerical coefficient, what is literal coefficient? कोई confusion तो नहीं होना चाहिए? No? So let us start exercise 8C. Write all the terms of the algebraic expression. Okay, terms. Now can I rub? Done? Okay. So for the exercise 8C, for the exercise 8C, for exercise 8C, one thing is important, that is a like term. So I want, you know what is like term? हाँ और ना बोलने में कितना देर लगता है? Just stand up and say. Everyone know that what is like term? So only Astha will answer in the offline online class. क्या बाकी लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? They don't want to say anything. So then why you are not giving your answer कि मुझे मालूम है हाँ या ना? अच्छा ठीक है, बैठो, just sit down please. तुम्हें मालूम नहीं है? Okay. इधर सबको मालूम है what is like term? You? Okay, you don't know. In this mid row, you know that what is like term? No. You? You? No. You? अच्छा ठीक है. So first we discuss about like term because this is a uh, addition or subtraction, and in algebra addition or subtraction is possible only with like terms. तो like term क्या होते हैं? The first thing, like terms. See, suppose I write some terms, then we will discuss कि ये like term है या नहीं है. See, 6xy square minus 4xy square x square y. Now see, there is three terms. Yes. Now see, what is, and see, like term must be checked with literals only. Like term को हम check कैसे करेंगे? Check with literal, literal only. ठीक है? सिर्फ literals को देख के हम like term check करते हैं. जैसे यहां पर क्या लिखा हुआ है? xy square. यहां पे क्या लिखा हुआ है? xy square. यहां पे क्या लिखा हुआ है? x square y. So means these two are like, and we are able to add. If it is like, then we add it or subtract it. If it is not, if it is unlike, then we don't do anything. For example, if we suppose there is a sign plus plus, then how we do? You just stand up, sit there. Okay. So how do we add this? Because this is a like term now. This is 6xy square. The number is 6, and here this is minus 4. So first we have to write like this. Yes, first we have to write like this and then add this because this is the like term. 6 minus 4 is what? 6 minus 4. कहाँ ध्यान रहता है? 2x y square, and this is plus x square y. Now you see, this is unlike term. So we can't do anything. कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. और हम इसको कह देते हैं कि ये हमारा आंसर हो गया. अब इसके आगे कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, और अगर इसको किसी ने भी प्लस किया तो वो गलत हो जाएगा. क्लियर? Like term is very useful in addition and subtraction. So please understand this. This is the only thing you have to be in mind. You have to be in mind while doing this addition and subtraction. Clear everyone? तो मुझे लगता है कि क्वेश्चंस कराने की तो मुझे कोई जरूरत है नहीं. You can do by your own. Yes. So for this today you will collect doubt from the exercise 8C. Then I will discuss it tomorrow, and tomorrow I will finish this chapter and start the new one. Okay. And you all have to do the work in rough copy. Okay. If there is a homework copy, then you can use after 2-3 pages. Leave 2-3 pages and then use. Okay. If somewhere there is a homework, then you are able to write. Okay. Is that clear, everyone? What is the what is this? Huh? Just put down in your decks. Class खत्म हो गई? तो फिर? So be attentive in class only. So now it is clear. You have to do the exercise 8C, and it is not compulsory to do the all questions. You have to do to check yourself कि I am getting this point or not. I am able to do this question or not. तो तुम्हें ये समझना है और ये करना है. Okay? So now the class is over. Bye bye everyone. Take care.